Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Namaste. Welcome to Unravel the Thread, a podcast for people who want to apply the Yoga Sutras to yoga practice and to life today. Available online at simple-yoga.org, where you can also find courses, articles, videos, and guided meditations to enrich your practice. I am Ruben Vasquez, your companion on this journey of exploration. On today's episode, we continue our journey through the second chapter of the Yoga Sutra, with the sutras presenting the effects of practicing the niyamas, with Sutra 241 on the results of practicing clarity, shaucha. Sutra 41 in Chapter 2 says, as a result of shaucha, increased evenness of mind and heart, joyful attitude, focused one-pointedness, mastery over the senses and insight into one's true nature. This sutra lists the symptoms of practicing shaucha successfully: evenness of mind, ability to focus, capacity to regulate your senses, and seeing yourself accurately. It presents a stark contrast to Sutra 131, where symptoms of distractions, distress, despair, suffering, trembling, and abruptness of breathing are enumerated. Clarity or purity, shaucha, like the other guidelines, is a process. As clarity expands, it creates stability and steadiness in your mind and heart. As you see yourself more clearly, your attachments to who you think you are, who you think you should be, and who you think you are expected to be soften. Then your mind and heart gain steadiness because you let go of all the distractions that these unhelpful thoughts generate. Seeing yourself clearly and removing obstacles keeping you from presence and from conscious participation will have an impact on your attitude. By releasing limitations and restrictions, you are also letting go of rigidity. Your attitude becomes more easeful, gradually cheerful, and eventually joyful. Maybe it begins by having fewer reasons to get annoyed and fewer complaints. Clarity also makes it easier to notice your tendencies to allow sensory stimuli to pull your attention away from presence. As a result, what used to be an easy distraction gradually loses its appeal. When your attentional energy is not chasing after sensory fluctuations, you notice glimmers of that aspect of you that does not change. As you commit to establishing clarity within, what do you notice? Remember that gaining clarity will make more apparent the areas where there is still confusion. Just like cleaning and organizing one closet or room in your home will make the disorderliness in other rooms more evident. This is a sign that the process is working. Thus, instead of feeling disturbed by noticing the areas where there is lack of clarity, you may favor recognizing that some harmony is developing at the pace and to the extent that is feasible for you at this time. Consider checking in with yourself on a regular basis. Is there more evenness in your mind? In your heart? Is your attitude more pleasant? Are you more focused? Is it easier for you to attend to your priorities? Is it easier to discern what contributes to enhance the quality of your life? As usual, one more way of exploring the meaning of this sutra is by chanting it. You can choose to chant it in its traditional form with some of the words coming together. Sattva shuddhihi saumanasya ekagriya indriya jayatma darashana yogyatwani cha. Another option is to chant each word in the sutra individually. Sattva shuddhihi saumanasya ekagriya indriya jaya atma darashana yogyatwani cha. Sattva shuddhihi saumanasya ekagriya indriya jaya atma darashana yogyatwani cha. Sattva shuddhihi saumanasya ekagriya indriya jaya atma darashana yogyatwani cha. Sattva shuddhihi saumanasya ekagriya indriya jaya atma darashana yogyatwani cha. Sattva shuddhihi saumanasya ekagriya indriya jaya atma darashana yogyatwani cha. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you can join me for the next episode when we will continue by exploring the effects of practicing the niyamas with Sutra 242 on contentment, santosha. Please remember that you can find more information, yoga courses, and many free resources including articles, videos, and guided meditations at simple-yoga.org. I would appreciate it if you could share this podcast with others. Thank you. Until next time, Namaste.